I got a little stool where your mommy. What did I do? I be running. I hear she got your mom this. Vote for your artist. This be the short code. Ask me what fake stories. They make them like say I want me the glory. But they never know say man for parents with money. That me I know they worry. Money where I make a fit pay all your rubbish talking. But I know them blame you and them artists. Yes, kind of artists. Them will take do you too. This rubbish make them arrest me for station. Them plan this segregation. I will send this to the next generation. Cause before you go know, oration. We are for day and time. Them grace you grace you. We know they here. We are for day and time. Because of the try tell me say this music be mistake. We are for day and time. If no understanding get them undermining my intelligence. I say every hour. Yawa oh every hour. Tell them I say them be yawa. Yawa oh them be yawa. Only God like a day, so that be them I'm thinking, that was the plan. For my face, I did top chat, I did jump hits, Melissa, but you're number one. I know go cooperate, I see it from the faces and the frustrate. I come and come without you, no do it's about that. No they tolerate nonsense like cow. One day for said, I have a story to them. What be my crime and say I repent. If you look at the funds, how you go make money here. We are for them one time. You can grace with grace, so we know they here. We are for them one time. Because of the try tell me say this music be mistake. We are for them one time. Even no understanding get them undermining my intelligence. I say every hour. Yawa oh every hour. Go tell them I say every hour. Yawa oh every hour. My fans say don't mind them every hour. Yawa oh every hour. How many times they go by me? Get the chuchu, I got a little stool for your mommy. What did they do? I be running. I hear she got your mom be at this song. Vote for your artist. This be the short code. Ask me what fake stories. They make them like say I want me the glory. But they never know say man for parents with money. That me I know they worry. Money where I make a fit pay all your rubbish talking. But I know they blame you and they blame artists. Yes, kind of artists. Them will take do you too. This rubbish make them arrest me for station. Them plan this segregation. I will send this to the next generation. Cause before you go know, oration. We are for them and time. Them grace with grace, we know they here. We are for them and time. Because of the try tell me say this music be mistake. We are for them and time. Even no understanding get them undermining my intelligence. I say every hour. Yawa oh them be yawa. Go tell them I say them be yawa. Yawa oh them be yawa. How many times they go by me? Get the chuchu, I got a little stool for your mommy. What did they do? I be running. I hear she got your mom be at this song. Vote for your artist. This be the short code. Ask me what fake stories. They make all say I want to be their glory. They don't say man for parents with money. Money where I make coffee pay all your rubbish stuff. Money where I make coffee pay all your rubbish talking. All your rubbish stuff. Yes, kind of artists that will take no. Kind of artists, you for they will take you. They afford this thing. They afford this thing safe. You understand me? Sometimes when I come live like this, somebody go there someplace and they go talk say about this matter there. But you see, first of all, I want to greet every citizen for Ghana. First of all, I want to greet all my fans for Ghana here. First of all, I want to greet every musician in France for Ghana here. And first of all, too, I want to greet the leaders of this nation. Yeah? Because you see what they can't talk. Sometimes when man talk, then they go talk, say, shatter there, the thing where they talk, you know, it be this thing, and it be that. And some, you see, make a talk Ghanaians, one thing. So you see, this life will live. Huh? If you say you be smart, somebody be smarter. If you say you be sharp, somebody be sharper. If you say you be dap or dope, somebody be dapper. Are you getting what I'm saying? So if we did this country way, some things they go on way, some people they feel like they go talk. You see me Shatawale, I go talk. Cause see what are they talk? It be the truth and nothing else but the truth. Put me for fire, I go talk. Put me for water, I go talk. Man, no, they fear anything. I swear, always I tell people, say, you see me, I know they fear man. Because, you see, the word of God be what me are they live by. I get what I'm saying. What are they can't talk? What be the problem? We don't be any problem. You understand me? We are with Ghana here where we do on a business. I get what I'm saying. Everybody, they go about in business. I get what I'm saying. But some people just think themselves like, if be them, they be musician, union, musicians that are union, where they control musicians. So they make their mind say anything, they won't just talk like it be them that they control. Yo, make I tell you something. You see, make I just make this thing clear to Chatterhouse. And this thing, they talk them again. Don't think you can fool us. You understand me? Because you are not controlling the musicians union. You don't have that power, that mandate to control the musicians union. I get what I'm saying. Make I give Ghanaians example. So, MPP and NDC, they do election. Where they vote. Where Gidi come, they say that they fight, they take ballot box, they do this. The electoral commission, electoral commission go talk say, they ban NDC and MPP. If it says sense inside, they don't even have that power to say that they ban NDC and MPP. They don't get that power. You know how many routes and things that they come when it be election time? You know how many routes they come when it be election time? Sometimes Ghanaians, let's think small. You understand me? Make we think small. Make you people not make my first start just see my first start. It be big things. Me I talk this thing always. It be me I tell the fans make they relax and things. It be big things. Because we take Ghana here, nothing they go on for we musicians. Nothing better. You people make the music industry make poor to the extent that government self not the civil like to be serious. And it be true. You people where they make where the creative arts and things, government they say like that place will be important. Yeah, government they watch road better. Government they watch agriculture better. Government they watch certain things for the country, minerals and things better. Why see the creative arts? Government no they see the thing or government no they see the thing. No be say I could find government too. Any government where they come in power, you know they see the thing where. From Nicola in my time to now. Then you won't tell me say, because NDC and MPP, this election, as they go on, the way people fight for who, and some people to fight for Kumasi, Bantamano, so, and we for try and you know, for ban them. Electoral Commission, they said they know say, the judiciary, the highest authority, that be the judges, that be the Mpenifono, you see, the high courts, the fast track, those places, it be them. Then we take Ghana, then we musicians, then you won't make we feel like you own me. Ghana, me nobody make me I make money. You know be Chatterhouse where I make money. You know be Ghana music industry where I make money. It be my brains where I take make money. It be my humbleness, it be my respect. That's why I get linked for government, I get linked for police, I get linked for navy, I get linked for soldier. I do respect those people. President said no, say me I do respect her. That's why we there here today. So if you don't go respect yourself, and stop that they ban. In question you me a mayama organa on. We go say make somebody touch it out. Make they don't do like they don't want to do like they control you. We will go make government close Chatterhouse. They go burn Chatterhouse. What kind of foolish thing be that? You know what I'm saying? Small business. You people just make up your mind. Say you go organize an award, go collect sponsorship, then make money for yourself. We understand. That be your business you do. Don't come and support somebody in business. Don't come say, you know, go nominate. Even if I need a nomination, what your nomination will give me? How many musicians where they go come out today? Where they go and say, vote this Charterhouse thing, this awards thing, he helped them build house. Nonsense. When we they talk, somebody go talk, say, why we they talk that thing? Why we not talk that thing? People for just wise up. People for just wise up for this country with you. If we election here with you, if we election here with you, and everybody want peace. Everybody want peace. I swear anybody will listen to this thing for sent to Flagstaff House, for sent to everywhere. And tell them, say, see what the when an industry they do, we shatter movement, we don't like that too. We know they like that. If you want to do your work, continue go do your work. Continue go do your work. Has and Kotoko. They go play May 9th. People die. People die. GFA no ban them. GFA no ban them too. Because there's some the Jiminaya Mudawo Ghana. Now there's some people the way they say they be board members. They take decisions. Someone like I see Rex Oma Goti ready to say if the man chatter and why I'm Stonebwoy there it be so one ball bra here. Remember Kase will be will. I get what I'm saying. We tired with the nonsense. Me personally, I tired with the nonsense. No, but what kind of stupid thing with that? If you want to go do your word, continue do your word. Continue and do your word. Do your word. If you say my chain we are the way, this $25,000 chain we are the way. This $25,000, this is $20,000. You say go do for me. If you diamonds for you, if you say your word go do this thing for me. This rolling we are the way. This rolling 35,000. You say go do for me. What kind of nonsense with that? With that country where nobody won't reason, make somebody tell the president, say, you see the way the things that do. Shut up, we with the bomb, with the vest, you understand me? With the vest. You understand what I'm saying? The man go travel, go some country, they go to say, oh, they ban you for award. Award where man no they get anything for inside too. Then they say they ban you. Who be that? What be that? Who be you? If you said God, what nonsense be that? Maybe we stop more we can talk say make the ban more. But you see me, don't come and spoil my business. Don't come and spoil my name self where you go mention for that place. They like as if I work for your office. You dey ban Shatawali and Stone. Jimmy now there. Who can say me get you mamu? You feel say I sing for you people. Or if I do work for you people. Because if you got a music union where they make weak. That's why you people come they do like Muti Brofo. Yeah, T-Brofo, yeah, was street, so we are about street life. We are about street life. Because I said, no. Hassan Kotoko, I said they go play. People die. Hassan Kotoko, they go play match. People die. People die. The families, if you say they come out, where they can't talk, say, make the band Hassan Kotoko. Today, Hassan Kotoko, they play. They want to say, won't come out Hassan Kotoko because there are ways and things that they do, the way people they die. Because I'm coming to Hassan Kotoko, man, no normal. And I'm going to Jimmy. Then you want show power. Like you be GFA. Charterhouse. What kind of nonsense is that? No, but what kind of nonsense is that? One man they thought they say, oh, take your time and talk, you know. I like what you talk, it be sensible, but the way they deliver. Me deliver for me too one. And me deliver for me. What kind of nonsense is that? If you want to continue to do your word, do your word. You say nomination, we don't bring nomination. Do your word. Don't come talk say you ban anybody. You don't get right. Because now go fit to make government ban you. Go fit to make government ban you. If you want to do on chaotic, to go do on chaotic. Make my fans say, yeah, we will make ready. You know, be you people are the blame, but the artists, the Ghana artists, where they accept, so they nominate them, so they go award. One, they go borrow money, buy dress. They go borrow dress, they go borrow car, they go do things, and you can't sit there like they be cool. Foolish artists, foolish boys and girls, foolish people, foolish, very stupid people. How can you behave like that? How can you behave like that? Ghana artists, they sit there and they watch this thing, they go on. If you say, see, God bless, God bless, God bless. Like, see some of you, We dey grow, the future. We dey go on. Some of you, we dey go on. What can me across? What are way I do? What are way I do? Where it be like Shatawale there? Hey, Shatawale there. Shatawale there. Up till now, nobody ever asked him that sensible question. Shatta, why did you stand up at the awards night? Make I explain. But man stand up. Hey, Shatta, wake up, oh! Shatta, wake up, oh! Shatta, like across bushfire. Like a throw bomb. Shatta be coronavirus. Shatta be malaria. Shatta be HIV. Shatta be gono. Shatta be anything. Let's think about it. You say you do your awards. Oh, we don't have a problem. Yes. Bring your nomination. People bring them a nomination. Okay, Shatta and Stonebwoy, they don't bring them. I mean, we say we ban them. But if we say, okay, maybe after they talk, they go bring them a nomination. Make we talk, say, no, the thing you people go do, no, we know, like, so it be cool. Yes, we do. Okay, they bring them. Shatta, Stonebwoy, the way people go do that thing, we don't want to put you for inside for this time. It's nice. So, that one, we do yawa. That one, me, I do yawa. See, I take my nomination, go away, you say, no, you know, go take. Hey, if you say you watch somebody, if you say you watch me, if you say you feed me, no. I want to ask Ghana person. You put Ghana, if you say if you chatter as well, they watch me. No, Ghana, if you chatter as well, they give me money, make I buy cars, chatter house. It be them. If you chatter as well, make I buy houses. It be them. Chatter as well, make I do my real estate project. It be them. If Ghana no stop that foolish thing, and you see the Ghana artists, if you to go sit up and think, even if Ghana artist in for some place, and one can talk and say, what I talk about, I go slap him. I go to slap the artist. I go to slap people. If you say me pass your way, make I pass my way. Because people, they support this thing. And I be Shatta and Stonebwoy no there. We get a chance of winning. My Jimmy, you are weak vessels. You are foolish boys and girls. Because see, if you say the Premier League, where has a Kotoko the player, where the commentators say Kotoko, you go talk that thing. If your leg where you go take play, and if you score goal, make your team reign. Make your team win. Most of you are lazy musicians, lazy cocoons, lazy Nkwalafo, bois, stupid boys and girls, stupid artists. Because you don't want to think for yourselves. You always say somebody will go help you for life. Yeah. If you don't help yourself, God never will help you. You see, God help those who help themselves. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid and come and tell you, say, you ban somebody. Somebody send you nomination. Somebody can give you this thing. What kind of nonsense is that? Then like you want to use my name tag do hype. My name self you mention for that. Not say I go be see you people. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? I tell when you people come beg me. You can't beg me. You ban me already. You can't beg me. Say this time you people see everything. You people see how I work. I can't sit there. People can do that foolish thing you do 2013 or something. Then you want me to sit there like some kiddie. Man, no be kiddie. You understand me? I don't be kiddie. You understand me? Today I don't tell people Ghana people my I chop 85,000 years. Mommy chum. I see ya. What nonsense be that? Nothing they pay me pass. They say they ban you. You be musical. No, you be musical. Where you go ban Ghana artists. You control the music in your. You put some effort for it. You go look for sponsorship. Ghana, hey, make I tell you something. You see this people, you be fraud when they fraud me all. Fraud. Fraud. Fraud at this highest level. You are from Nima. You know what's up. Can do then organize some stage, then organize venue, then you say, oh, yeah, they do that word, they give the artist that word. The artist where they work hard. No? You go fit time say me I work hard. If you go fit time, if be my money on my bank account, where go time say me I work hard, that boa. Nkwasi sembe no. No, nkwasi sembe no. Nkwasi sembe no. Then they can't vote. Then electoral commission go to say, no, the way Charlie, MPP, NDC, the way he put the fight. You see the big men where we have for Ghana. The big men. Because they hold money. So you can't tell them nonsense. See the money, they crack them a brain where they take me come. So you can't go tell no big man nonsense. Shout out to Kennedy Japan. I feel that man. I feel that. Because see that man, you can't tell him nonsense. You go talk because the way they talk, then so you come out time for here, you come out time for there. You know, you go see the nonsense he go tell you. More being your scar. What you do? How much money will they get? How much money will they get? How much money will they get? You put just they mess up people in my brains. Oh, they ban Shatta Wale, they ban. Hey, this is your first and last. Otherwise, I go make God ban you. I go make God send blood of Jesus, make he come ban you. You don't give somebody water. You don't give somebody life. You give somebody breath. You can't talk say you ban the person. Hey, don't try that thing. Don't make people not try that thing. It's nonsense. What's the same? I'm sorry, them people they text me. They say they say they ban who? I can't submit some things say make people nominate me. I can't submit say make people nominate me. What kind of stupid thing with that? No, what kind of childish play with that? You say if they do this, then government go take one industry serious. No, you feel say if they do this, then government go take me serious. Are you people okay? No, are you thinking? Are you thinking? What do you want to achieve from this thing? All you want to achieve is people buy tickets, collect them money, and they go build your properties. That's all you think about. That's all you think about. Some of us, we know the street, we hustle. We are stay Kaso, I stay Nungwa, I stay Tesha, I stay Tema, I stay everywhere for this country inside. Tamale, Ashanti region, Volta, Takrade, Cape Coast, I stay everywhere before. So you can't come and tell me anything. You see me, nobody go fit tell me anything when I talk the truth. Nobody go fit tell me anything. What else they go do? What else they go do? We say they go, oh, make they arrest him. But arrest me, what me I do? If you say arrest me, what me I do? Or if you say the police station, police what they did there, you know they think. What nonsense with that? I not submit my anything come to you. You people have your house. You say they do party. Do your party. I know can't ask you, Chala, if you come the party some Chala, you know. I know can't tell you that thing. I know with that stupid Ghanaian artist where they will come be called, they will come be beg. They can't be show me how if you come the party, Charlie. You know, so the party if you buy form, you know, if you fill form and see how many people you and them go to come. I know with them artists. You understand me? Fucking pussy Ghana artists. I know with them artists. Or if you say if you know they do everything nice, you know, everything understandable, everything, you know, smooth. You know, say we all, you know, sure say we all be a smooth world. But people they there, then no, you won't decide something. Charlie, if people don't make the president of Ghana serious, and another president will come serious. Ghana musicians, you understand me? Anybody, I tell Ghana musicians, anybody where you know say, you know me, Shatta Wale. When you see me, pass, make a pass. Because you people are not ready to change this thing. And I'm not ready to befriend you guys. Because you guys are so stupid. You guys are so foolish. You guys are so... Because you guys know the fit think. Go win an award. Come put down. Then that be all. That be your life. Most of you they rent, most of you they borrow cars, most of you they sleep at your friend's place, most of you say they go back for Shada, they go buy Shada, say, oh, I'm going to sing to some Ghana artists. Ghana artists. Ghana artists. Namu gumen yenimasi. Namu gu yenimasi. Hey, chat house. Many people stop that thing, you understand me? Wait, you see, make I tell you something. You see, sometimes respect they come with respect. But you see, when people they do something like you won't play smart, that boy I talk from the beginning say, if you think say you're smart, somebody's smarter. I get what I'm saying. Some of us don't see we like musicians. Don't even put me among musicians from when till now. Don't even add me. I don't want that thing. Don't add me. Don't add me. Don't try add me. Hey, I'll be different musician where I come. You understand me? I be different guy. The place are from come. None of you have an idea. You people no get idea. Yes. So don't try. Don't try. Don't try. Then do like you want play smart. You want collect money for people, collect them. You know, say maybe this artist he get fans. If fans go come, you will get some money. If fans go vote, you will get some money. All those money, or then take do some plaque. Then you see the award. How much? I think go America, I go China, organize all those things, bring them, can't give award to. You know the cost, my guy. Those things, $15, $20. Calculate them. But people go to vote and go get money. If you get money, then people take go build your properties. And one can talk, say, we know the if we will help people get money. You people are poor people. It be we the artists, we they help people get money. But the Ghana artists, they fool to themselves, they don't know say if be them, they must sweat. Your studio, where they sleep, where night time, you they crack your brain, you want to do music, you want bam, you get one hit song. Then somebody from back can tell you, say, I want to help you make your song go. Once you know say your song it hits, when you start collect money, watch mama, watch papa, watch kiddies, watch your family. You know they think about that. Then you see say if somebody will go help you. Me I no worry myself enter anywhere for the world. But you put the Ghana in the sea. Say my work is speak for itself. That's why I get people on my list, international artists on my list. We need to go do like, oh, they need this, you know, me and they do this, me. I know if you go brag from somebody, say me and the control Ghana. I don't know if you brag like that. People where they tell me, say, Charlie, shut up, you know, the people they listen to you, yeah, you try, Charlie, keep up. Yeah. Because I just want to make my work speak for himself. Man, they work, man, they crack in brain, do song and things. Where you put it, they book and wake up and they say, you ban somebody. Don't come to don't do that thing. Me, that side alone there, don't do that thing. Don't try that thing. Don't be that myopic. Don't be that childish. Don't behave stupidly like that for your life. I'm a businessman on my own. Don't seem like this. Me, I'm a businessman on my own. So don't come and play with a businessman. Businessman, if you can't play with them with money, you go tell you mind. Don't come and do that this thing. Why they see we? No, me Chatawale, me I see me. If you say I be like those artists, I don't care. Me, I don't care. I go tell you my mind. Go ask my father. Go ask my mother. I go tell you my mind. Be so God born me. Be so God say, make I not fear anybody in face. Because my face is scary past them, my faces. Don't come take the talk to me like you know everything. You want to show me everything. You want, you know be musicians, you know be musica. You know be musica. I don't do anything to musica. I don't do anything to musica. But you see, the industry with the people do everybody see me like we weak. Everybody see me like we weak. People they one can talk like something like you one can do the thing like like if you they show you the song to write, if you one of the days we find word episode they do when they come them a program top they will give you title, make you go write, plant more trees, write about cholera, write about HIV, write about this, write about that. Episode they happen. And we grow past that. Right now we grow and we live as businessmen. This music we do is a business. This is my job. This is my job. Then government can talk say as Circle, filling station Ben. I don't know which filling station, if you Shell or something. As Shell. So we dey cut Shell because Shell the way they make people they die. People die for Ghana. Ghana. If people don't wake up and you think for yourself, and you make somebody else they can't talk something, we just accept them. We are fooling ourselves. We are fooling ourselves. Government we go take decision say, Shell, please, the way your filling station got banned, we don't want you to have a filling station in Ghana again. We can't, please. So we ban Shell. Government said no talk that because government will say those are businessmen. Those are businessmen.
Or if you say the Afro Nation they can't do, if you say in the sake of what? People can Ghana. People hear of Shatta Wale. People hear of the artists they hear. People hear of the artists they hear. That's why they come. They hear Shatta Wale, they hear Stonebwoy, they hear Kwame Eugene, they hear Kiddy, they hear Wine. That's why they come here. And in the business for Ghana. The business. Money they come, money they go for the government. Make the government take work too and do whatever I go do. It seems like I be common musician, common floor member. Ghana musician, don't try me. Make nobody can see me and can't smile. I go slap you. I go slap you. Ghana musician, I go slap you. Because you people have taken yourselves to be normal people. Just normal people there. If we sing, then they nominate us, then we are okay. They nominate me. Jimmy, because want to me cracking my brain and to me in Fanyaska and see Sa Jimmy no say you do more and minim. See, make I tell you something. Make I give you something. Make I just make you understand something. You see music for Ghana here. Make I just give you analysis how music for Ghana here grow. Music for Ghana here, then they take play. They take play for village. If you check all one old musicians, they from village. They from village. Where did they sing for village? When the music hit for village, then the music come the city. When they hit for village, then come the city. That be how come on a music, you know, if you grow into a city for. When a music still day village for. When a music still day village for. Because all the artists, when you check, most of them, all of them have poor backgrounds. Poor. You go come out maybe 3 or 4 or 5 before inside. The rest be poor background. That's why they don't call money, say they won't call small money because hey, they don't see some before, my family said no see some before. So how come you go can't call this money? How come he go can't call this money? This money they play to you. Yes, because they were from poor background. But see, God elevates who he wants to elevate from a poor background to a rich status of life. And it's up to you to decide. God won't come there and come tell you, hey, you are the person to change your family. God won't come tell you. But God is making you see signs that, hey, me partner and my mama born you say, hey, and you back up and I hate you Ghana sano. Hey, and you make charges get your show me bush for me see a bronze mam. My way. Ghana artist 10 years, 12 years or the man of buy house. 13 years, 15 years, or man of regular year, then yes, they say some artists wait, TT artists, then rent catch them, then they can't sack them for house. You know, they fee pay. Do you hear? It's just because of the analysis I've given you now. Yeah, me ask my father born me at the age of 13 I go London. I go London again at the age of 16. At the age of 19, I go London again. So you see me be fucking London boy. My eye will be rough. Me name Sika Fre Papa. Me name Sika Papa. Sika. Sika Sika. Me name Papa. Me name. If I have to call money. I know my word. I know the system, how the system is. So when I call money for people, I call. I know my word. I know what God he do for me. What God, how God appreciate me. What God say, Junior, you will also come and look after your parents. You see, Upa umami no papa shona omusi uzu be show no musi atutu. Meaning say na I can asemi. So if you say I can't play, I can't build my company. I take work and do my things. Then people won't try do the thing like me. I'll be like those musicians. Hey, this will be your first and last. When you can't talk, see you ban me. This will be your first and last. Where you go do your things and put me for there. This will be your first and last. Where you come to portray that thing say yeah, Shatta Stonebwoy there. Hey, maybe you go fit deal with Stonebwoy like that. But see me, hey, don't try me. Don't try me. Don't try. Hey. Obviously the music we do the playing. Me I know this, but my mind they bust, my mind they crack me, my mind they ache me, my mind they chop me. Obviously we see one say we buy cars, so we buy a house, so we are okay. Hey, I'm not okay. Me, I'm not okay. Instead, I live still. I live in my Nima jeans. I live in my Nima jeans, like my Nima spirit. I live my ghetto life still. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like say you can't see me and can show me some life. Don't see me like that. I give example. Hassan Kotoko, I give example. Shell, Way Ben, I give example. NDC and NPP. Make Ghanaians think about them. And think say what this body do, sense the inside and say with them, they go decide for me. They go decide for me. Who can do nomination? Nobody can do nomination. So why they do it? Why not do one all out? Why you don't do one all out? They won't portray some life. You won't portray something like, yeah, you people will be a big man in the country. Hey, you don't be big man. Hey, you see all the people, they see that board in body, they say they be board members and things. All of you be poor people, I swear. You be poor people. You see what I get? So none of you get on. None of you get on. You be poor people. I swear everything. I'm going to pay all of you every month. I'm going to pay all of you every month. Swine. Munishi. Mubbre. Uninyami. Guys, Uninyami go back bread. Uninyami umbrella. My guy, if you know God, you don't go tire. Yeah, obstacles will come. Obstacles, but you could jump them. You will fly over some of them. You could conquer some of them. You could brush some of them. Uninyami. What's your name? Say, take it. This, take it. Unishi so. You people know having anything at the talk. You know having anything. The power they decide. Even people where they can't sit really top where they talk, say they be panelists, they be presenters. You know get anything. Why look Prince Chiga sing for it? Listen. You know you live any better life. They suffer. They suffer. They suffer. Trust me. If we talk, they say make you no talk. I go talk. Most of them too be disappointed musicians. Disappointed musicians. They talk to musicians like they know they respect musicians. If you put musician for program talk, then panelists in they talk to the musician like, yeah, no be shatter Wally. No be shatter movement. No be this nigga I did right here. No be me where I did right here. Hey, forget everything. Forget everything I tell you people. Forget. It be Ghana artists where they fool and they beat them again. Ghana artists, we Jimmy for. We Jimmy, because you know your worth. You don't know what you are worth. And you sit down and this people will throw you about. They call you for program, talk your face. Talk your face, talk your face like you do this thing. Last time when they watch and the Dustin program, Sterling, Rude Boy Sterling, they there. The Mr. Logic, he did there. Ian, that boy, what do they call that boy? Say, oh, strong man. Yeah, strong man did it. Nonsense they tell the boy. I said, why? What's up? If they call the boy with the people, what's up? It's your problem. He's an artist. He can decide whatever he wants to do. Fuck off, man. If he does the music and he hits for himself. If the fans we go call for him, fans. Oh, fans. Damasi, why? Fans. Damasi. Hey, fans. A shout out to the promoters. The promoters, even though they come on radio, they talk rubbish like the way you put it talk. The promoters, really, they pay money. They didn't talk rubbish like the way you put it talk. They Ghana and everybody just talk anyhow. Anybody go fit talk anything. Me, I not go allow that for me my territory. Me, I not go allow that thing for me my territory. If you see me for road, watch somewhere. Because if you do like, don't watch my face, can't explain something to me. If you not explain what, the slap way I go make it job. The slap way I go make it job. Go there, read it up and can't do money hour. They want to see man for street and behave like, no, Charlie, you know, everything he talk really nice, but the way he present them, why make her present them like Nanaba Nama? Or make her present them like Israelite? Or make her present them like what? Munjai Jimmy and Jimmy not also. Munjai. Too much. That's what I'm saying. I did tell you, people, I don't come submit any nomination. So you don't have the right. You don't have the right. Go check. And you see me, if you know music, like I said, I go do law. If you know music, like I go do law, because see, my mind, where it is, I go fit take do law where I know with law book. Because I lock my mind, I lock them like logbook. Where are they here? So don't even come and talk, say, then you buy me for her. Who show me I'm your size? I'll be banning. Which Jimmy Momo? No, but no. So you watch me, then you tell me, say, I can't submit something to you. I can't beg you for something. No, I can't beg you for something. Hey, sometimes Charlie, you think you might be a seal because you say, you're dada. Then this people just will take decision, and people take up, people they discuss up. Nobody even gets sense to talk to you know. Chatterhouse, you don't get right to even talk that thing in the first place. Make people give examples like this. Kotokoe has. I repeat this thing again. Kotokoe has. Play match. Main knife. People die. People die. People lose them alive. You know the last 2 weeks we Kotokoe will play match. You don't see the stadium. That be fans. Kotokoe they are fans. You say, NTJ. Kotokoe has. You have a team with you. That match, I see some boxer go beat somebody. You go they give fans. Let's be serious in this country. Let's be serious in this country. We did this country inside. We politicians said they go elections. We know they have easy. They still ballot, but they say this thing happening for years. Some macho men come here. We did all those things. Electoral Commission never banned these people. Electoral Commission. Somebody can talk. Share. For circle, Vienna opposite. A burn people. Families, properties. What they talk? No. What? Yes, they ban somebody. Yes, they ban share. You can't do fraud business. Can they collect money for poor people and to go build your houses? Can you collect money from people who did the work 9 to 5 and do like the organized corporate show? If you say we don't know that, all those things go for do. All those things, man, go for do. We know all those things. When we can see that, what will they get? What refreshment will they get? What special treats will they get? Nothing. If you say the decoration did the place, wait, that what will fill my bank account. If you those kind of skirmishes people they do there, that will fill my bank account. You say we are Wajikra Jam. My Wajikra with free Abuaji. George Kui. He leave people. George Kui. You do George Kui self leave there because you they lie. People they make they get bad name. George Kui every day, everybody they fight him. George Kui. He leave people. He said he resign. Ghana, let's learn from this. I know what I'm saying. Ghana people get problem. I don't know if you speak up. Me, if I get problem, I will speak. Maybe the president will help. Maybe some minister will help. Maybe somebody will help me. Let's be wise. Let's stop the thinking like we think like we be this thing. Let's think properly. Because you see the way we do that, why I do song. I go release them. You see the way they think. It means me, if they say me are crazy, they need to decrease. Me and them are for day panther. Me and those people when they say what chatter talk sense no dey inside. Yes, you do what as you they talk, I say sense no dey inside. So me and you are for take a go panther, go check to see who gets sense. If you take go panther, go check to who gets sense. If you get sense, you can't do this nonsense thing they do. If you say what you do be sensible, somebody no can submit nomination. So they say this thing, I go to defend myself anywhere this time. I don't can submit nomination. I don't can submit anything. So why don't you continue and do your thing? You say the go Tamale, then me and you the go Tamale. Right now, you won't go Tamale, you get your own car. Go Tamale! They can't talk, you know. Then you go radio talk. Me while the way they do, I don't want to take and go Tamale. Yeah, I can't force you to take and go to Tamale. I can't force you to take and go Tamale. Let's think. Let's be wise. Make nobody can see nobody happiness. So the way the Hamatan come, Mr. about vest, the way town halls. So make nobody can tell nonsense for this country. Nobody can for kind of nonsense. May they leave the president, make have peaceful elections. Nobody this nonsense music thing where you go bring giddy come on our industry side. Nobody this nonsense music thing. No, this nonsense. Nonsense. Nobody go fit boast like the way me I go fit boast and I make my own money for me myself. Nobody. Those artists where they follow the Ghana music or Ghana music. What they get? What they get? May they come out, can't show me what they get. Come out, can't show me what you get. I swear, come out. Shout out to Chris Wado and Medical. Hey. May they come out, can't show me what they get. May they come out, can't show me what they get. If you say Chris Wado in Bentley, they hold. If you say if you Ghana music, you bring cracking way together. We bring cracking. Medical said he buy a Range Rover said before people say, oh, this medical. He get green crack. When they Ghana, if you do business. Business they Ghana. Business they Ghana. Where they go? Don't come and they lie to the public and shatter the way they did, you know. They will have Has and Kotoko. They make people and my families die. Has and Kotoko. Has and Kotoko. Shell, Ghana, Shell. Fuel. They burn people. People with the close of job. Somebody when you girl they work, they go escort them, all of them, they die. For Vienna, opposite. Government no ban them. MPP, NDC, they hear and they say this and they say that, and they go give shooting, go here. They no ban NDC, MPP. Make we ban Has and Kotoko, so make we give the rest of the team chance. Make they feel win their Premier Election. Jimmy Yamode. Make we ban Shell. So say other filling stations to go fit get customers. Shell, we everybody knows Shell now. Jimmy. So me come on, me try to say, Jimmy. Jimmy na yamudana. Jimmy na yamude. Make we ban NDC and MPP because you know back we see him today. They will go fit give back we see him their channel. And I regard them because the team MPP and NDC they do their Charlie. They tarnish the image of the country. Now saw me.